Task 1, ratios. In each of these problems, I've given you questions where there are much larger terms than what we actually need. We can write a ratio in a simpler form in most instances. In this first problem, I've got 50 metres is to 300 metres. Now, if I write that as a fraction, it's 50 over 300. Now, if you're good at fractions, I could cancel that down to be 1/6, or 1 is to 6. Colon, we say, is to. Now, I'd like to show you also how you can do this on your calculator if you've got a calculator with a fractional notation, such as the Casio here does. And that cancels down quite nicely on the calculators. The 1 is to 6. Occasionally you'll come across a ratio where the simplest expression for the ratio is already there. 8 is to 9. Now there are no divisors common to 8 is to 9 apart from 1. And just to show you, I can quickly work this through on the calculator using the fraction. You can see 8 is to 9. So I would leave that 8 is to 9. Please notice in maths that when you get a question where there is no simplification, please don't leave it blank, but show that you've made some effort at it. If the answer is the same as the question, you can restate. In the case of E, I've got $3.60 is to $1.20. Now, you could do that in your head, perhaps. 3 is to 1. But if you require the calculator, why not use it? So 3 is to 1 is my answer. I'll now go through G. G, we've got to do some changing. We can't compare ratios unless we're using the same comparable unit. So that's 450 metres is to 2,500 metres. I'll do this on the calculator. You'll see how that cancels down quite nicely. And I get 9 is to 50, or 9/50. Please notice when we quote a ratio, you mentally say the first number is to the second one.